There is a drink that connects mornings, friendships, families, and traditions across Tanzania. It is found in homes, roadside cafes, offices, markets, and villages. It is simple, yet it tells a remarkable story. This is the story of Tanzanian chai. For many Tanzanians, the day begins with a cup of chai, not just for refreshment, but for conversation, for connection, for a moment of pause before the day unfolds. Whether in the busy streets of the city or a quiet village, chai is part of everyday life. Tanzanian chai reflects centuries of cultural exchange along the East African coast. Trade routes connected Africa, Arabia, Persia, and India. With them came ideas, traditions, spices, and recipes. Over time, these influences blended into something uniquely Tanzanian, a cup of chai that feels familiar yet distinctly local. In Tanzania, offering chai is often more than offering a drink. It is an expression of hospitality, a welcome, an invitation to sit, talk, and share stories. Many important conversations begin with a simple phrase, "Karibu chai." Welcome. Have some tea. No two cups of chai are exactly alike. Some are rich and creamy, others are lightly spiced. Each family has its own tradition. Each community has its own way. Yet, all of them reflect the warmth and generosity that Tanzanians are known for. Visitors often remember Tanzania for its wildlife, mountains, and beaches. But sometimes, the soul of a country is found in smaller moments. A shared conversation, a welcoming smile, a warm cup of chai. Perhaps that is why chai remains timeless. Not because of what is in the cup, but because of the connections it creates. This is Timeless Tanzania. Karibu Tanzania. Feel the difference.